This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Janet Madrano. Beautiful pool home. Available for immediate move-in. This spacious one-story home will wow you with a beautiful open floor plan, a stunning kitchen, and so much room to spread out and enjoy life. With 4 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, this home is perfect for your family's needs. As you enter, you will find the spacious formal living dining room. The kitchen includes a large high-top counter space and a breakfast area. The spacious master bedroom provides ample room to create your personal space. You'll appreciate the convenience of a large walk-in master closet and tub and shower master combo. An additional 3 bedrooms along with another well-appointed bathroom cater to your family's comfort and privacy. Enjoy the large fenced-in backyard, in-ground pool and oversized screened lania. Rent includes pool maintenance service. Washer and dryer not included, lawn care not included. 1-year lease minimum. No short-term nor corporate renting permitted. Dogs and cats accepted with additional security deposit. For more information, review the details below.